sounds expensive. Nah, that's a real. If you a real car nigga, you know that's a beauty right there.
That's the beauty right there.
What is it?
A Miata.
A Miata.
God damn.
They're saying that. Miata.
Miata. Miata.
Oh. Yo, let me hear that again. We got this.
Okay.
We got this.
Okay.
We got this.
Okay.
And then we got the stack.
Okay.
He's just slow. Anyways, yo, where the BMs go? Y'all can't wait for some. Double flat. Yo, see,
That's a double joint.
flat.
Oh, look at this air. That's your.
That's the air intake.
She make a turbo.
That's I heard a one.
I'm not gonna think for
Big outside. Yo, only stay active all year round. Never forget that.